delicious homemade shrimp scampi risotto, easy and affordable recipe for beginners. Hello, foodies. Welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel, the place where we bring you simple and mouth-watering recipes that won't break the bank. Today, we've got a real treat for you, homemade shrimp scampi risotto. It's a classic dish that sounds fancy, but don't worry, we've got a budget-friendly version that's perfect for beginners. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our tasty recipes. Now, let's get cooking. Shrimp scampi risotto is a delightful combination of succulent shrimp, flavorful garlic, and creamy risotto rice. We'll break down the ingredients and step-by-step preparations, making it easy for you to recreate this restaurant-worthy dish at home. For this recipe, you'll need 1 cup Arborio rice, 1 pound shrimp, peeled and deveined, 4 cups chicken or vegetable broth, ½ cup grated Parmesan cheese, 1/4 cup chopped fresh parsley, 4 cloves garlic, minced, 1 small onion, finely chopped, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 2 tablespoons unsalted butter, salt and pepper to taste. Now, let's break down the preparation into easy-to-follow steps. First things first, let's create the perfect risotto base. In a medium-sized pot, heat the chicken or vegetable broth over low heat. In a separate large pan, heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil over medium heat. Add the finely chopped onion and sauté until it becomes translucent. Now, add the minced garlic and continue to sauté for another minute until the garlic becomes aromatic. Next, add the Arborio rice to the pan. Stir it well to coat each grain with the flavorful onion and garlic mixture. This step is crucial for achieving that creamy texture in your risotto. Allow the wine to simmer until it's mostly absorbed by the rice. This will add a wonderful depth of flavor to your risotto. Preparation, Part 2, Shrimp Scampi. While the risotto is doing its thing, let's move on to the shrimp scampi. In another pan, heat the remaining tablespoon of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of butter over medium-high heat. Add the shrimp to the pan and season them with salt and pepper. Cook the shrimp for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side until they turn pink and opaque. Don't overcook them, we want them tender and juicy. Once the shrimp are cooked, remove them from the pan and set them aside. Now, in the same pan, add the remaining butter and minced garlic. Sauté the garlic until it becomes golden and fragrant. Be careful not to burn it. Once that heavenly garlic aroma fills your kitchen, reintroduce the cooked shrimp to the pan. Toss them in the garlic butter for a minute or two to absorb all those wonderful flavors. Bringing it together. Now that our risotto base and shrimp scampi are ready, let's bring everything together. Begin by ladling a cup of the warm broth into the risotto pan. Stir continuously until the liquid is mostly absorbed by the rice. Repeat this process, 1 ladle at a time, until the rice is creamy and cooked to al dente texture. Once your risotto reaches that perfect consistency, fold in the Parmesan cheese and chopped parsley. This will add an extra layer of richness and freshness to the dish. Now, for the grand finale, gently fold in the shrimp scampi into the creamy risotto. Make sure to save a few shrimp for garnishing at the end. Garnishing and serving. And there you have it, our homemade shrimp scampi risotto is ready to be served. Plate it up, garnish with a sprinkle of Parmesan, a few fresh parsley leaves, and those reserved shrimp. This dish not only looks stunning but also tastes absolutely divine. The creamy risotto perfectly complements the garlicky shrimp, creating a symphony of flavors in every bite. Ingredients and preparations methods are in the description box. Thank you for joining us today on our multi-recipes and cookeries channel. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make this delicious and affordable homemade shrimp scampi risotto. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and share it with your friends. Subscribe our multi-recipes and cookeries channel for more amazing recipes, and let us know in the comments what dish you'd like to see next. Until next time, happy cooking! Thank you very much, homemade shrimp scampi risotto lovers.